At Iron Rock Off-Road, we're proud to be a cornerstone of our local community here in Shakopee, Minnesota. Since opening in 2004, we've worked hard to serve both our fellow Minnesotans and enthusiasts from around the globe. From Jeep Wrangler JK and JL lift kits to Jeep Cherokee XJ steering and armor upgrades, we design and produce top-quality products that improve performance at an affordable price. Our products are thoughtfully designed and brutally tested so you can be confident your upgrade will stand the test of time. With design, production, and warehousing all done in-house, we control the quality of your parts from concept to delivery, and we're exceptionally proud of our work. Customer satisfaction is a top priority at Iron Rock Off-Road. Our team is always here to help you choose the right products and help you with your installation. Our products are also backed by a lifetime warranty. With our development team hard at work, you can look forward to a continually expanding product line for nearly all modern-era Jeep models. Whether you're looking for a mild lift with a smooth ride to cruise the beach, or need the ultimate in clearance, flex, and strength for a backcountry or rock-crawling adventure, Iron Rock has you covered. But why take our word for it? Come in for a visit or browse a selection of products online. If you'd like more information or want to drop by our Shakopee location, feel free to call us at 877-919-JEEP or hop on our website at www.ironrockoffroad.com for hours and directions. Go beyond boundaries. Go with IRO.